Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to record WhatsApp video call with audio. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now you can do this one for your Android and iPhone, also on your computer. So for Android, let's say you're currently in a call, just gotta swipe down once more, and again, okay, and just gotta find the screen recording app. Okay. So just tap on it, wait for it to load. And just make sure that you include a media and mic. Now, if you want to enable taps and touches or show taps and touches, you can just gotta leave it enabled. Now go ahead and start recording. Okay. So if you want to stop it, you can just swipe down. Okay, right here, as you can see, tap here to stop recording. Just tap on it, and you should be good to go. It will be saved directly on your gallery right here. Okay. So for iPhone, just do the same. Okay, swipe down at the top from the top right corner. It's just basically the same. Okay, just go ahead over to Control Center, customize controls, and just add screen recording, and it will just start recording. That is it. Now, if you're using PC, you can go ahead and use a snipping tool. Okay, just to select a recording option right here. Start recording. It will ask you to select your specific mic. All right, and once that's done, you're good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you at the next one.